भाभी मेरे लिए सब्जी रोटी।
पंचामृता के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो खाने में पौष्टिक तत्व की कमी को भर देते हैं। आई सर्टिफाइड, वेयर फूड इज फोर्टिफाइड।
कॅन्डिड विथ कॅन्डिडा ही कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक तुमकां सगल्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार आनी नमस्कार। इश्टानो हे कार्यावळीन जायते कलाकार तुमचे भेटेक येवन गेल्ले आसा। आयज म्हजे बरोबर आसा एक फिमेल डीजे जे आख्ख्या संवसाराक परजळटा। आमचे सांगात्याक आसा बाय मेजल, जाका तुम्ही वळखतात कली एम ह्या नावान। येवकार तुका आमचे कार्यावळीन। तशेंच ताच्या सांगात्याक आसा एडवोकेट बाय प्रोफेशन पूण एक MC बाब लिओन अल्मेडा। येवकार।
थैंक यू।
Welcome. How are you all?
Good. How are you?
Good. Fit and fine.
Yes.
Samki
always.
fit and fine.
Perfect.
Perfect. All right. Okay. Maisel, Puri Sadak, hats off to you because you know when there is a female DJ and there are other girls who are watching you. तेंका एक aspiration येता की म्हाका तुजे भशेन जावपा जाय. So tell me from the scratch, how did you start?
So
What was your journey?
Initially म्हाका खबर नासलें की हांव एक DJ जातलें कित्याक जेन्ना हांव ल्हान आसलेलें म्हाका तियात्रिस्ट आनी तियात्र ह्या प्रोफेशनान येतो इंट्रस्ट आसलेलो बट देन एज आय वॉज ग्रोईंग ओल्डर इट फेडेड
Okay.
इंट्रस्ट मातशें उण जालो देन आय वॉज लायक आय लव म्युजीक अ लॉट सो आय वॉन्ट म्युजीक टू बी द सेंटर ऑफ माय करियर
Okay.
कितें कोर बट म्युजिकान देन हांव लायक हांव एक बँडांत वावरतलें
Okay.
maybe as a singer but then I don't know if I sing that well. Then I'm into drums also. I'm learning drums.
Nice.
So that was the idea. Now again that also faded. The liking towards it faded. And then DJ is something that I got introduced to. So I'm like, yes, this is something that I really wanted to do. It's crystal clear. This is something that matches my energy. मतलब मुगे जी personality आहा मुगे जो I can say liking आहा towards the music and that energy and the DJ concept match सारको perfectly जातालो. So I said yes, this is what I want to do, and that is when I was in 8th standard.
8th standard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then moving forward, now only problem was permission from the family or the
correct.
parents because I am the only person who would be doing DJ from the entire family. There's no one who is into nightlife industry.
Okay.
So on the first person ahlalले so difficult ahlalले की कितकोन तांकां हांव कन्विन्स करूं. So हांवें चिंतलें हांव मुगे जेन्ना पापा आहलोलो हांव तेका मसाज करतालें धाकलो आसतना. सो हांवें म्हणलें आतां मसाज करता न्हू टायम बरो आहा लायक मूडूय बरो आहा तेगेलो. सो हांवें मसाज करता करता परमिशन दितालें आनी हांव भिलो आहा जायते भिला कित्याक I collected that those guts to ask. And his answer was yes, why not? So I was.
Did you expect that?
No, I did not. But one thing is I had prayed a lot and I had faith in God. I had faith in Jesus that He'll do something and there will be a way opened for me. So then what I did is I got the permission. Now I got the permission to learn DJing from a proper academy.
Okay.
First thing is if you're an artist, a musician, you need to have that equipment.
Correct.
So I had to buy that equipment also. That was also around like it was expensive enough. So that also I was feeling bad to ask my parents. But they both of them, my mother and my father also, they were so supportive. They both contributed and bought me an equipment.
Okay.
So that was also very overwhelming thing for me. मागीर आहलो म्हाका धाकलोसो कंट्रोलर हांव करतालें घरा कोण व्हिडिओ बी काडटालें सायडीन सायडीन आनी तेदो हांव युट्यूबार चयतालें. सो कितेंय म्हाका खबर आसलें युट्यूबाचेर. मागीर कॉन्फिडन्स तितून नासलोलो बट ओके आय कॅन डू इट अशें करून. सो मागीर या सो
मागीर तें स्टार्ट जालें.
हय स्टार्ट जालें. फर्स्ट इट वॉज लायक स्मॉल स्मॉल शोज हियर इन देर. Then mistakes we got out.
Okay, we'll come back to you.
Yeah.
Like, how did you start?
Yes.
Exactly your first show. We'll come back. But
Okay.
before that, Leon, we need to hear it from your side because जशें परी हांव जाणा, before being an advocate, you were an MC, you were into cultural activities. So tell me from the scratch, like how did it start and how did you become an advocate, and later on how did you continue?
So एडवोकेटाचे एक लॉयर एज अ प्रोफेशन जेन्ना हांवें चिंतलेलें तेन्ना हांव स्कुलान आसलो आनी स्कुलान आतां खबर ना जाता पूण पयलीं आमच्या टायमार एक करियर गायडन्स टेस्ट जातालें.
Okay.
दिस इज 10 years बिफोर. सो करियर गायडन्स टेस्टान फर्स्ट येयल्लें की it would be better if I pursue law as a profession.
Okay.
So maths हांव चड वीक आसलो आनी back answering हांव strong आसलो.
Okay.
So
You are the same or?
Yeah, by all means.
both are art students.
Okay.
I would take separate, yeah.
सो हांव स्कुलिंग जाल्या उपरांत हांवें चिंतलें की हांव आर्ट्स ह्या स्ट्रिमान हांव एडमिशन घेतलो आनी हांवें आर्ट्स जॉइन केलें. I realized I was very happy that maths is not here to scare me.
Correct.
And arts जाल्या उपरांत I chose to study BA LLB, do my graduation and post graduation in BA LLB. So जेन्ना हांवें स्टार्ट केलें LLB आनी फर्स्ट इयरान फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरान फेल. So it was very disheartening. I felt that maybe this is not for me. But many people supported me that time. My mother, most definitely, she supported. And I went on to study. I chose law, and then law chose me. So that's how I thought of getting into practice.
Okay.
Practice and येतगीर हांव फर्स्ट म्हाजो सिनियर श्री विनय दत्ता पाटील.
Alright.
तेका लागून म्हाका एक्सपोजर बरो मेळ्ळो आनी थ्रू हिम आय गॉट टू लर्न मोर. जेन्ना नाव टुडे आय कॅन से 3 years internship and 3 years practice with him, total 6 years. I got a lot of exposure, I got a lot of confidence, and I think everyone needs that. दुसरें म्हटल्यार MC and the music industry or maybe the entertainment industry, तातून माझी इंट्रोडक्शन जाल्लें when I was in my higher secondary. ते एक सायड पॉकेट मनी, एक मिडल क्लास फॅमिलीसून हांव बिलोंग करतालो. सो आमकां पॉकेट मनी अशी मेळनासली. सो पॉकेट मनी हॅड टू बी जनरेटेड बाय युअर ओन सेल्फ. सो एक सायड, आय वूड नॉट यूज द वर्ड हसल, ताका एक डिफरंट मिनींग आसा, बट एक सायड इनकम म्हणून हांवें MC डिसायड केलें बिकॉज one of my friend told me that I had a very good hold over the English language.
Alright.
So then I went like, you can speak, so you do MC. So first show I did for 500 rupees. It was a house opening ceremony. ते केल्या उपरांत slowly by God's grace देवा कृपेन म्हाका आनी shows मेळ्ळे आनी slowly I got into music also. I started performing on virtual DJ.
Okay.
Not a proper controller or console like us, but a virtual DJ.
Okay.
I did that and it went on. I was fortunate enough to meet her, Kaliam, and she also taught me how to DJ. And as of now, we both work together. We are, she as a DJ and I as an artist manager, also as a DJ. I go along with her. And yes, this is 20.
So now if I ask you, are you an advocate or an MC? Or do you manage this artist work? What will be your answer?
I would say that I am an advocate by profession and an MC, an artist by hobby.
Okay. The weightage for whom you'll give?
Weightage would more be for advocate, definitely. Because I spent 5 years of my life studying BA LLB, and I would never let anything come in between that. But then again, advocacy is something that my heart and my mind wants, and being an artist, being an MC is something that my heart wants.
Alright.
So
okay.
I give justice to both.
Alright. Hazel, you have a different story to tell. Like तू जायते profession जे जायते अनुभवलेले आसा. So apart from DJing, like तुझं career पयलीं कसो आसलो? Like what did you want to do? And did it like you just jumped into DJ or what it was?
So DJing was the first thing actually that I started doing. But after that, I also focused on being a football agent.
Alright.
Because I am a big fan of football, so I wanted to be close to that industry, the football industry. So I chitlen ki football agent aate hain, so that was something that I really wanted to do. But then I took a pause on it because of my schedule. Because if I'm traveling a lot, I cannot balance both, right? So I internship kelle, and then I just took a break. Then comes drama.
Alright.
So I have learned, but not entirely. That is also like I've taken a pause on it, just because I want to make proper time for traveling and DJing. So accordingly, now currently side by side DJing, I am doing graphic designing.
Alright. Nice.
Yeah, so that is something that I really like to do. Ki the editing, that is something like mak आवड आहा. Like you know, passes आहा मोकडे editing करपाक. So that is also I've made out a career out of that, like you can say.
So multitasking.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, what is this curly M?
So curly is for my hair.
Curly.
M is because of my name. Nazel.
Alright, okay. Tell me from the start, what
Yeah.
was your first show and how were your, जेन्ना first show असता तेन्ना obviously एक nervousness असता. So what was yours?
So this was for Sanjao.
Sanjao?
Yeah,
Okay.
Sanjao. So I think it was somewhere in 2017,
Okay.
2017, as far as what I remember. So एक friend आसलो आणि तेणे म्हणलें तूं DJing start करता न्हू, तुका controller बी आहा, तूं यो कर, like you know, just start off. So now my problem was I was not a professional DJ. I knew certain things. इथे कळटालें म्हाका सगळें कळनासलें, flow of the music, genre, BPM, काय कळनासलें म्हाका. So I'm like, I'll take it as an opportunity, because again, you should not say no if you're getting an opportunity.
Correct,
and then
true.
regret. So I गेले आणि म्हाका लोकांगे मातशें उतराय पडली त्या दिसा, कित्याक म्युजीक म्हाका ऑफ जाली. When I was performing, music कित तरी लागले म्हाकोडे आनी म्युजीक ऑफ जाली. And then my friends were also there to support me. They were in the crowd. So my friends heard the crowd talking bad about me.
Okay.
So there was one female, there was a lady who said, "अरे ये female तेको आनी कितें expect करपा जाता?
Okay.
चोडू न्हू ते तेको आनी कितें expect करपा जाता?" So तेशकोन, and then there were people who did actions also to me, like what, like you know. So that was one experience. What I can say is I did feel bad because I got a lot of उतराय पडली म्हाका जायती आनी म्हाका एक्सपिरियन्सूय जालो. बट वन थिंग इज आय वॉज हॅपी इन द एंड ऑफ द डे, कित्याक फायनली एक स्टेप हांवें फॉरवर्ड गेलो हे प्रोफेशनाक. And then
But from that day on, what did you thought, like तुझे first thinking आसलें की आपण फुडें वयतले की आपण थिंगा उरतले,
फुडें वयतलें.
फुडें वयतले. Okay, so you took the criticism as a challenge.
Yeah,
Alright.
it did hurt me a lot, but then again, it's like if you have been criticized or you know, you have been trolled or roasted, you do feel bad. But it is up to you whether you use that
Correct.
energy, you
True.
channelize it in a good way or bad way. So it's either you just sit and cry and feel bad about yourself, or use that same energy, what is, you know, making you feel bad, to improve yourself.
Alright. Okay.
So
How do you
for that-
respond to people like requests when it comes to DJing?
Even if I have the song, I don't like anyone requesting me, because it's like that is a flow. A DJ observes, and a DJ knows, like, okay, so sort of a crowd is there, so certain type of songs will be good. And even if I have the songs and people come and ask me, it's like it gives the DJ a feeling ki baba, what you're playing is not that good. We want certain type of songs. So it is something that I don't like. And then there are times where I don't have the tracks, because there will be people coming from different regions
Correct.
altogether. They will ask for some Bhojpuri songs at times, which you don't have. Then they will ask for some typical regional tracks, which you don't have it. You know, that time it's a problem, but then we figure it out on the spot. So request is no. If I'm in a good mood, I may, but mostly no.
Okay, that is there a time where somebody has requested you for one song or something, and then you had to say no for that person,
Yeah.
and then what was the reaction?
So I say no in a very
Polite way.
polite way. Like, you know, there are a lot of various ways I have to say no. One thing is I will say I've already played it, even if I haven't. I'm not lying, but then it is just to save the situation.
Correct.
Because there are certain songs you can't play. Then the other reason is I'll say that I will play, give me 5 minutes. I'm not saying no to you. I'll play. Then other thing is, what else do I do? Okay, other thing is I just make them wait, and then if they come back, I tell them it's already played because they don't realize even if you play it.
How do you stay on track with the current trends and all?
I have to download like a lot, like even like see now, especially nowadays there are like 4-5 tracks which are trending a lot. So you need to see that okay, this trending song you have to have in your list, playlist, because people react more to them than the usual ones.
Alright.
So you just have to download and keep up to date, like.
All right.
that way.
I'll come back to you.
Yes.
Leon,
Yes.
tell me something. You were a part of an NGO.
Yeah.
So we want to know about that and how did it function?
So I was a part of an NGO back in the college, and it was a brainchild of a few students, like students of different classes. सो आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळोन चिंतलें की आमी एक NGO ओपन करूया, आनी द होल पॉयंट ऑफ दॅट NGO वॉज टू गिव बॅक टू द सोसायटी.
All right.
2017ची खबर ही, 2017ची खबर ही, आनी लॉ स्टुडंट्स आमी सगळे, आनी आमी रियलायज केलें की एक NGO ओपन करता आसतना देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लिगल प्रिपरेशन टू डू. सगळ्यांनी पयशे एकठांय करून बारीक बारीक करून आमी एक डीड, एक फर्म रेजिस्टर, आमची एक NGO रेजिस्टर केली, आनी आमी कॉलेजीन आसतना एक्टिविटीज केल्यो. ऑर्फनेज विजिट्स वी यूज टू डू, and we used to collect donations from our classmates.
Alright.
We used to take donations from them, go to do orphanage visits. Sometimes we used to give donations of clothes, even food distribution we used to do. So एक देवाचेच काम अशें आमी चिंतलेलें तेन्ना, थ्रू दॅट NGO विल डू. आनी सिन्स स्टुडंट्स असलेले, आमी यंग असलेले म्हणून आमकां एक उमेद अशी असलेली. Several drives also we used to do, like beach cleaning drive, and thereafter most of that part of that NGO was to give back to the society what we have already received. We are fortunate enough, so give back to the less fortunate.
All right. Okay. So now if मध्ये कितें अशें जालें जाल्यार एक social activist हो वावुरपाक जाय जाल्यार what will be your stand?
I will always be ready. I will always be ready. कित्याक म्हाका अशें दिसता की आमची लायफ जी लायफ आमची आसा, देर इज समवन हू इज लेस फॉर्च्युनेट देन अस. सो इफ यू कॅन शेड ऑफ अ लिटल बिट टू हेल्प अ लेस फॉर्च्युनेट पर्सन, I think everyone should be ready, because that is the kind of religion that everyone should follow.
Okay. All right. Now when it comes to event management, then how do you when is the trickiest part that comes in when you arrange for artists or something? What is the hardships that you face?
The biggest the most messiest thing in this is तो आमगेलो मनीस रे, आसूं रे, करता रे मागीर. This is the kind of attitude which I do not like to deal with. I do trust people. It's not like तशें ट्रस्ट कोणाचेर ना असो ना, पूण जेन्ना सुद्दां कोण असो म्हाका म्हणटा की आसूं रे, पळोवया रे, मागीर करया रे, इतलें आसा न्हू, मागीर दिता रे, तें तशें जाल्यार म्हाका इट रियली बॉदर्स मी अलॉट. बिकॉज प्रेपरेशन केन्ना आमी एक इव्हेंट करता आसतना, एक इव्हेंटाक वयता आसतना, इट्स अ टीम वर्क. तेतून सावंडाचो मनीस आसता, तेतून लायटीचो मनीस आसता, एवरी वन वर्क्स एज अ टीम. सो कोणें जर एक लेथार्जीक एक्टिविटी केली जाल्यार मागीर ते सगळ्यांच्या कामाक अफेक्ट जाता. सो मोस्टली म्हाका डिसिप्लीन हे एक इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. जेन्ना डिसिप्लीन नासता, दॅट इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट फॉर मी टू वर्क.
All right. Okay. Maisel, what is the current scenario when it comes to DJ? What do you notice nowadays?
Nowadays,
Is it blooming or what it is, according to you?
Is it blooming? I think it is very well that even celebrities who are like actresses and actors and from different professions are choosing to become DJs. So I think it is something that is very fascinating to a lot of people, that even like celebrities who are having like a, I'll say, different profession. I don't know if I'm explaining it properly, but people from different professions are choosing to leave their professions and come
Correct.
here.
True.
So it's blooming well.
All right. Okay. And you will bloom more and
Yeah.
more. All right. Where are the places that you have performed
In India,
outside India?
it's Sri Lanka, Bahrain, Qatar, London, and Singapore.
Alright. Did you get any opportunity to collab with some other artist or work with some other artist?
I must have.
You have several Raftar.
Yeah, actually yes.
Mhm.
Raftar is one.
Mhm.
Then I have shared the same stage with Neeti Mohan, Lucky Ali. There are a lot of names that I'm finding it so difficult to tell.
But there are many in the pipeline.
Yeah, there are like so many. Then there were star parties where I got the opportunity to perform for all celebrities.
Okay. What
So-
are your future plans now?
Future plan is to, now my only goal is to be better than what I was last year.
Be better, more and more.
More and more, just keep improving
Alright.
because learning never stops.
Mhm.
And every day when I'm performing, I learn something new.
Mhm.
So just
Alright.
be better.
On this, we have now a second round that is called
Okay.
as rapid fire round.
Okay.
So before we go ahead with the rapid fire round, a small message from you for the aspiring DJs, female DJs, from your side.
Aspiring female DJs. Okay, I think it will be for anyone and everyone. There is this quote that I really admire a lot. It says the disability is not in the body, it's in the mind. So yeah, that is a quote. Like, don't feel like you are less fortunate. If you have the mindset and you have the will, even if you are a special person, we will make sure it happens.
Alright, okay. Straight from the heart.
Yeah.
Alright, are you all ready for the rapid fire round now?
Yes.
Alright, rapid fire round with Advogat Leon Almeida.
Yes, ma'am.
First question, you need to be very fast in answering, alright? Jenna tu dotor utor tuka lok munta, Jenna advogatak lok sorso dotor munta, what do you feel?
खूप बरं दिसतं.
So should I call you dotor, advocate or what?
Anything.
Alright, what's your area of specialization?
Criminal law.
Okay, most challenging case you've ever handled?
I cannot discuss about that on live TV.
Key to winning a difficult case?
Practice, learning, reading.
Advice for aspiring advocates?
Start early.
How do you stay updated with law changes?
Google, news.
Okay, what's the most memorable event you've emceed?
My friend's wedding.
Okay, how do you handle a situation where the event is running behind schedule?
I pester the organizers.
Okay, what's your go-to method for engaging a large or diverse audience?
I start my speech with a loud hello.
Okay, how do you handle hackers or disruptive attendees?
I ignore them.
Just ignore.
Yeah.
Okay, describe a time you had to adapt your script on the spot.
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
Yeah.
What's your favorite type of event to MC and why?
My favorite type of event to MC is a wedding, definitely.
Wedding.
Because there is a lot of gaps in there and I can crack a lot of jokes in the wedding.
Alright, describe a time you faced a particularly challenging legal issue and how you navigated it.
Every time I face an issue with whenever I give a call to my senior.
Alright,
He
what's
is
the
one.
most rewarding aspect of being a lawyer for you?
The respect
Alright.
and the confidence.
Okay, how do you stay updated on the ever-changing legal landscape?
Again, Google News.
Can you share a memorable case where your strategic thinking made a significant difference?
I cannot again discuss about the case, but
Alright.
yeah.
Okay. What advice would you give to someone starting their legal career?
Start early and find yourself a very good senior who can give you a lot of exposure and read.
Alright.
Reading is very important.
Well answered, men.
Thank you so much.
Well done. Alright.
Actually,
Curly M. Are you ready?
yes.
Okay. What's your favorite time of day to DJ?
Night.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your biggest weakness as a DJ?
Weakness as a DJ.
Yeah.
I'm bad at it.
You're bad?
No, not that.
Okay.
I'm bad at answering first. Okay.
Biggest
Maybe I don't
weakness.
like the certain equipments.
Okay. What's your biggest strength if I ask you?
God?
Okay. What's your favorite song to play that you know will always get the crowd going?
Baby by Justin Bieber.
Alright. What's your guilty pleasure trek?
I cannot say it on the television because It has a bad word in it, but
Alright.
I'll just tell you the first two words. That's Dilli Se Ho.
Okay, all right. All right. What's the song you've recently rediscovered that you love?
Shaky Shaky.
All right. What's your favorite insult, if you have anyone?
No, can't remember. Can you?
You can only remember the first time when you played, I guess.
Yeah, I can consider that.
What makes you happy?
Food.
Food.
Yeah.
Okay. What's one thing about you that might surprise the people?
That I like most of the activities which boys do than girls.
All right. The best advice you've ever received till date. Any advice?
That you have to be okay. When you're 45, you will wish to be 25. So when you're 25, just make the best of it.
All right. What's something you wish people knew about DJing?
That it is not just pressing and playing buttons. It is more than that, and it takes a lot of homework and brain and efforts. To
All right. If you could play anywhere, any venue, anywhere in the world, where would it be? A dream destination of yours.
I've already performed there twice. It's London.
Okay. And again,
Yeah.
is there a trip?
There's no trip coming up, but I just
You
love
love to
that
perform
place.
there.
Yes.
All right. What's your dream collaboration?
Maybe with Enrique Iglesias.
Is it?
Something like that. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now tell me the trickiest question. When are you going to cut your curly hair?
Never.
All right. Well answered. The last round is read my lips.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready for that?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Read my lips with Leon Almeida and Curly M. Ready? Actually in a DJ position now. Huh? So let's start.
I have to read this
Read it for your own self.
for myself. Okay.
Take your time.
Hmm.
Okay. You have just 30 seconds.
Hmm.
And your time starts now.
Pan. Hindi.
Mhm.
Fire.
Konkani.
Leaf.
Hmm.
Tree. Tree.
Konkani.
Konkani. Zard.
Hmm.
Ware.
Ah.
Zadware.
Ha.
Janwar. Ha.
She was almost there.
Lip.
She was almost
Lip. Yeah, too.
Varyan
Varyan
Zada
Zad Halta.
Halta.
Ah.
Okay.
Vare you said, Zad you said.
You said you were close.
But I was
right away.
shaking.
Second one. Okay, second
I
one.
have to. Huh.
All right. And your time starts now.
Pause.
Pause.
Hmm.
Konkani. Hindi.
Konkani.
Pause.
I don't know how to say this. I don't know the meaning only of that word. When the rain falls, it makes a sound,
Tip.
but harder, louder, harsher.
Wait.
Okay.
Gogo.
Ha.
Gogeta.
Ha. Another word for it?
What is saying?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
Pausan Zogla Marta.
Zogla, he did not tell only.
No, I don't know what it is.
Zogla.
Okay.
Something like that.
Thundering.
Okay, the last one.
Okay,
Last one
thundering.
from your side, okay?
Okay, very nice.
Ready?
Yes. Rubber wheel.
Done.
Okay.
And your time starts now.
Naka. Tuka. Egg.
First word is tuka. Okay.
हाँ.
How to explain now? Okay.
Rose. Gulab.
Konkani. हाँ. Okay.
Tuka rose.
हाँ.
साड़ी.
हाँ. Guy.
हाँ. किधर? Zai.
हाँ. She said it.
Tuka rose साड़ी
Okay,
Zai.
actually she said it.
तुका रोज साड़ी है.
तुका गुलाबी साड़ी
तुका
है.
गुलाबी साड़ी है.
Ah,
Yeah,
gulabi
she said it.
साड़ी. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, you said it.
One
तुका
out of
रोज
three.
साड़ी है.
1 out of 3. Very good.
Okay, now we'll
Okay.
interchange. Alright, okay. Alright, Maisel, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Done?
Yeah.
Lip sync. I'll get it.
Your time starts now.
दुखता. दुखोन नाचता. दुखता. दुखोता.
Yes.
दुखोता.
Yeah.
दुखोता song.
Yeah.
अवगे दुखोता. Okay, I got it.
Second one. Okay.
Very good.
And it happened to come same like. I don't understand what it is. Okay.
Sure.
I'll read it for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And your time
Lip
starts
sync it.
now.
I'll tell you. How साड़ी tie कार हाउ तीन हाउ सारी दुपट्टा ओढ़नी
Okay. Fisherman.
विजय
Fisherman. Oh, they put.
फिशरमॅन
Oh.
नेट जाळे हाऊ जाळे टाइम
Gusbola.
हाऊ जाळ्यान घुसपाला
Last one.
Okay.
जाळ्यान पडला
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Your time starts now. Lip sync.
Yeah.
वेली फ्लाय बर्ड बोट इन कोंकणी
Nah.
शिप
Okay.
डायव्हिंग बोट सबमरीन बोट फेल
Konkani.
बोट बुडली
Oi.
Boat bully.
Boat
Ferry
bully.
Boat bully.
Ferry.
बोट इन कोंकणी is what now?
I did not say boat in Konkani.
It's like that only. Boat only. Ferry boat.
Ferry. I wanted to ferry. I wanted to make him say ferry instead of
फेरी बोट बुडली
Okay, done. All right, it's time to say goodbye. Adios. तुमका दोघांकूय कार्ड सांगता आनी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमचो मोलादीक वेट काडून तुमी हांगासर आयली आनी आमकां एक संदी दिली तुमची एक मुलाकात घेवंक म्हूण कार्ड सांगता आनी देव बरें करूं. This is a small token of appreciation from the team Prudent. Mazel, this is
you.
for you. And Leon.
थँक यू सो मच
Thank you so much. तुमकां सगल्यांक आमची कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक चडांत चड देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर कॅन्डिड
with Candida.